Hello, this one's a bit worrying. This is not really, I had no intention of doing this. This is something that's come up and I thought I'd share it with you because quite simply, I don't know what's happening and it's not my field. So I thought I'd share the information with you guys because it's a bit, well, terrifying really. And what it is my browser is eating my computer. Now, you probably know I've got the Acer and it's rather a nice computer. It's a gaming computer. The Predator, and it should be good, and it is good. It does what I want it to do. It does it nice and efficiently, and we've had it now. My wife's had one and I've got one. We've had them around about a year, so there's no problem that we should have been having, except for about the last 3 weeks. That's 3 weeks. This has been happening on our computer more regularly. The browser has been sluggish. Now the browser I'm using is Edge, and it's fully updated and all the rest of it, but it's been getting sluggish where you click on something and not a lot happens, and then you wait for it and then you click on it a little bit more and then all of a sudden it starts, but it's been getting bigger and bigger delays, and now things have stopped working. Right, this is my other monitor. There you go. So this is my monitor on the other screen, and I'm making it all go funny. Right, okay, so that's what I see, and what I want to do is I want to open, we'll open something, and we'll go for, I don't know, we'll go for YouTube, normal YouTube, go for my YouTube channel, and there it is, it opens, but it's not actually active yet. Nothing I click on is working yet. See how long it takes. Nothing is working, and now the fan is speeding up on the computer and it's come up with this. This page isn't responding. And then it will decide that it will. Now it's open Creator Studio. Don't know why it's done that. Probably because I clicked on something. But anyway, let's shut that down again. And right, so there we are. Now if I click on my channel again, boom, it may or may not be working. So let's see if I can get onto videos. No, it's still not working, you see. So it's going to come up with something. Oh, you may say, well, it got there in the end, didn't it? What's the problem? This is a high-speed computer, and that shouldn't be doing that. Now, I can click on things. You can see how it actually is now responding. So I can click on all the different functions. Well, that is not a high-speed gaming computer. Not in my mind, anyway, and certainly not what I've... Shut up. Certainly, this is not what I've had for the last year. Now, I'll go on to a different one here. This is a software I use. I've been using this. I've got... You'll recognise it. Click on there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. The window's still not operative yet. 7, 10, 11, 12... 13, 14, 15, 16, still not operative yet. 17, 18, 19, 20, still not operative yet. I can't click on anything. Oh look, it says it isn't responding. Let's click on wait and then see what happens. The fan's getting faster again and we still haven't got anything. Now this is ridiculous. And then it says that. Now you may say that's because you were clicking on things. No, it says there out of memory. Click on refresh, see what it does. Twiddly, 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 and it's back. But is it workable? No, it's not. So there we go. That's how it all goes wrong, and I don't know what to do about it. And this happened again. I'm going to bring up something here for you. This is called Resource Monitor, and people who are into this sort of thing will know what it is. Memory. So there's the memory that's in use, there's the memory that's available, and there's the memory that's sitting there doing nothing. So that's locked into programs. That's got stuff on it. It says standby memory that contains cached files and code that is not actively in use, so it's just sort of sitting there doing not a lot. Then we've got this one which is sitting there, says it's not being used at all. So if I make that smaller again and click on that blaster again, let's bring this up, but as a not as a full size. You can just see if we can bring the memory bar. Well, there's the memory bar, and as it's trying to see, the blue is getting higher and higher and higher, and there we go. So boom, that's got up to there. Now it's dropped back down and it says out of memory. Well, why? I don't know, because let me show you something else. If I go onto a different browser, because you may say, well, you know, obviously your program's no good. Well, that is possibly the case. But if I bring up this one and I click on Blaster, there we go. See what happens here. 2, 3, right, program's opened, and look, I can click on the buttons, and it's quite happily working. And what's more, let's bring up the Resmon. The Resmon has got nowhere near any problems. So why is it being eaten by Edge? I don't know. So then I thought, well, I shall try, seeing as it's a Chrome based thing and my wife's using Chrome, I shall try Chrome. Over to there, open Chrome, there we go, bring me back up on here. So there's Chrome is open, and if I go on to Blaster, Blaster Suite, there we go, and it wants me to log in, which I can do. 62425249. It's a one-off code. I don't mind sharing that with you now, just so you can see the legitimacy of what I'm doing. And we're in. And if I go back into the actual program itself, on this one, you can see it's doing something. But let's bring up that res monitor. It's climbing up and up and up and up. It hasn't opened the page yet. I'm sitting here waiting for it, and what's going to happen? I've no idea. Well, actually I do know. What's going to happen is it's going to crash out the same way as Edge did. I've been doing some, there we go, look, out of memory, and when we look at the monitor, it was up there and now it's dropped back down again. It says, but I've got plenty of memory. So this is a problem with Edge and with Chrome, and it doesn't, I've gone through all the help files and I cannot get it to work. But now I'm starting to crash out on other websites. Things like Amazon I'm crashing out on. So I don't know what to do, and I thought I'd ask you guys, what do you think I could do? This is a problem. I don't know who to contact. I don't know how to get it to work. It's one of those things where you follow all the help files. You're just sitting there trying to work the thing. They do an update. It all falls over. It's not fair. I don't know what to do about it. If anybody's got any ideas what we can do about it, if you're having a problem with it on your computer, be it a Acer Predator or anything similar, let me know, and maybe we can get Acer to try and sort it out. Or maybe we can get, McAfee couldn't get the scanner to run. That's another thing. The McAfee scanner, McAfee deep scanner, not the short one, but the deep scanner would not run. They know it's a problem, but they don't know how to cure it yet. So there is a major problem occurring, which is going to probably catch up with everybody eventually, but I'm one of the first to get it this year. Anyway, maybe if this has been of any use to you, or if you've had any experience, you'd like to leave a comment or like and subscribe, or just make it known. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you another time. Cheers. Bye.